Hello again. I'm going to factor this problem here to figure out what x is, okay, to find the values of x. So what I will do is first set this equal to 0, and I do that by subtracting 11x on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to keep my equal signs lined up, and I'm going to make that 0. This is negative 24x, and this is 4x to the third. Okay. Next thing I do is ask, what can I factor out of both of these? And I can divide them both by 4x, because I can divide 24 by 4 and 4 by 4. And there are x's in each one. The lowest power of x is 1. So I can make it 4x is what I'm going to factor out. Try to keep your equal signs lined up. I'm a big fan of that. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4x. Okay. So I have 4, those cancel. X to the third divided by x is x squared. Minus 24x. Negative 24x divided by 4x is going to be minus 6. Okay? So now I break this into two equations because anything times 0 is 0. So that means either 4x is 0 or x squared minus 6 is 0. So I'm going to do 4x equals 0 and x squared minus 6 is 0. Divide by 4. I divide by 4. X equals 0. Over here, I have to solve for x, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So that's x squared equals 6. All right, if x squared is equal to 6, I take the square root of both sides. But it's also plus or minus square root of 6, because if I square negative square root of 6, I get 6. If I square square root of 6, I get 6. So our answers here are 0 and plus or minus the square root of 6.